So about a year ago, I posted this reel, and this reel completely transformed my business. It allowed me to make over $100,000 in just a couple of months after posting it. But what I've learned from it allowed me to make over $500,000 in the following year. And today I want to share with you everything that I learned in this process, so you can do the same. At the time, my business looked like this. I was creating content on Instagram in this lifestyle, motivation, and discipline niche. I also had a product called Instagram Creator Course. I still have it till this day, which essentially taught people how to create better content, how to edit videos, and how to grow on Instagram. It also provided editing resources such as LUTs, templates, and more. On top of that, it also had a community where people can join, share their wins, get support, whatever. However, at the time, I was really struggling to sell that program. I tried everything at that point. I constantly kept promoting it on my stories, my posts, and nothing seemed to work, honestly. And it got to the point where I was really frustrated because I saw other people making a killing with similar offers, having similar programs, even selling them for 5 times higher prices, making millions with this type of offer that I had. It got me really frustrated. At the time, I was still doing freelance work, editing content for clients and just freelancing on the side. But I really wanted to transition into kind of like selling digital products full time, because I understand that I can't just sell my time for money all the time, which was what I was doing all this time. And everything changed when I stopped promoting my course. Yes, I completely stopped promoting it, completely stopped talking about it, posting stories, posts, just cut it off completely. And I went on a trip down my memory lane, and I remembered some of the OG marketers like Alex Becker, Russell Brunson, these types of guys. They always talked about something that I completely neglected in my own business. This thing was right in front of me, and that is that all the money in your business is in the back end. It's not in the front end. And what I was trying to do all this time was constantly just sell people right from my Instagram, and it was not a way to do it. These successful marketers never sold their products on the front end. They always had some sort of unique mechanism that is evergreen, something that gets people into their business, educates them, provides value, and then once they truly know, like, and trust them, they sell the product. And I didn't have that myself. My Instagram page at a time had over 150k followers. But whenever I posted story promoting my course, there were times where I didn't even get a single sale. So I decided to switch things up. First, I needed to stop promoting my paid product on Instagram and instead use Instagram to grow my email list. Next, I needed to create an evergreen email sequence that would consistently sell my product in the backend when somebody joins that list. Lastly, I needed to create a free resource so I could exchange that for free in return of somebody's email. Then I started researching to find out what would be the perfect product market fit for my audience on Instagram. And that's when I created a free 7-lesson course called Viral Reels Secrets. And at this point, this free course has over 3,000 5-star reviews on Gumroad, and more than 54,000 people had enrolled in it. Once I had the program ready, I spent about 2 weeks building it, and once I had it ready, I placed it on Gumroad, completely free software that you can use to place your digital products, and this product still resides there today. I think Gumroad is a really good platform to get started because it allows you to even build your email list for free. It doesn't really charge you a penny for having a large email list, for example. After placing the product on Gumroad, I had to set up an automated email sequence that would go out to everyone who enrolled in this product. And you can do this using the feature called workflows on Gumroad. So here's how my automated email sequence looked at a time. And this is what I recommend right now to all my students, to have this email sequence, because it's very simple, straightforward, and it got me crazy results. First, they receive a welcome email. In this email, I explained what they could expect from me in the upcoming days. I emphasized that they would receive nothing but pure value, and I encouraged them to mark my email with a star so they wouldn't miss out on any of messages that comes out their way, right? So you kind of like set a tone on what they should expect in following days from you, right? 2 days later, they received a new email aimed at providing value and reinforcing certain things mentioned in that free course. I asked how things were going and if they needed my extra help. 4 days later, I sent a storytelling email sharing how I went from X to Y, in my case, explaining how I grew to 150k followers from 0. 6 days later, I sent another email designed to offer more value, going more in depth on specific topics from the course. 8 days later, I sent a case study email showcasing how I helped someone grow their following and create better content. 10 days later, I started promoting the paid product, offering them an exclusive discount. Finally, on the 12th day, I went even heavier on promoting and wrapped up the sequence. Actually, I go more in depth about this process in my 30-day free course, which you can find in the description down below this video. It's going to show you everything I used to generate well over $500,000 with my personal brand, growing to over 500,000 followers and more. So once I had this sequence in place, obviously I needed to drive traffic into it, right? And this is where that reel I showed you in the beginning came into play. I created this reel with a call to action at the end, prompting the viewers to leave a specific keyword in my comments to receive the free course, Viral Reels Secrets. This is a common practice used by many creators right now, and you've likely seen that on Instagram yourself. Here is an example of a creator using the same strategy in a fitness niche. And this reel that I posted blew up. As of now, it has 7.5 million views, over 200,000 likes, and most importantly, over 2,000 comments. This reel got me around 1.5 thousand new members inside that free course. But more importantly, it gave me an understanding on how to attract people who don't know who I am into my evergreen funnel. It was this aha moment where the light bulb just turned on in my brain. This funnel has one clear goal: provide them with value and end it with a clear, straight to the point offer. And I quickly started seeing results from this system. My sales for the paid course began increasing without promoting it directly. I had a paid product promotion built into that free course, right? So when somebody is going through that course, by the end of it, there's going to be an upsell for the paid product. I also had the entire email sequence dialed in, which I just shared with you, and running in the background. I started replicating this process with other reels, and they achieved even greater results. My email list started growing at record speed, going from few hundred subscribers to over 10,000, 20,000, and 30,000 within a few months. In the background, my email sequences kept running, and my sales grew from $5,000 per month for my course to hitting first 40k month in October. The following month, in November, I hit $64,000, resulting in generating over 100k within just few short months after posting that reel. The crazy part is that I wasn't even trying to promote my course heavily at that time. All the sales were happening in the back end. And I actually discovered that most of the sales came from people who enrolled in the free course within a 1 week to 2 month window. And this actually taught me one important thing, and that is that your Instagram page is a funnel, a way to move your audience off platform into your email list where you have full control and establish a deeper connection. Then I also paired this reel strategy with promoting the free product on my stories 1 to 2 times per week. And this strategy truly skyrocketed growth for my email list. And with the strong backend in place, all you really need to do is just direct traffic from your Instagram into the funnel and let it work. And this evergreen funnel can continue to generate sales for years, because the momentum I built in those few short months carried into entire 2024. In 2024, I made total of $250,000 from the Instagram creator course alone, which I hardly promoted at all throughout the year. And most of those sales were completely passive from people that enrolled into that funnel, went through the entire sequence and purchased at their convenience, whether it was a week, a month, or even 5 months later. And this is a crucial lesson for all of you guys who want to sell something online. Don't try to make a sale right away because it's difficult. It's much better to create something that gets people to join your list, and from there you can create an automated sequence that sells your product 24/7. And by doing this, you hit two birds with one stone. You build your email list, you avoid annoying your audience on Instagram with constant promotions, and you also generate backend sales with an automated process. And I know this whole process involves a little bit more detailed guidance, like how to set up automated DMs on Instagram, so when people leave a keyword, they receive a free product invitation from you, or how to set up email sequences that sell your paid product in the backend, or even how to pick the right niche or the product to sell. I cover all of that in this over an hour long tutorial, so feel free to click here and watch it right away.